and welcome back to my beauty channel. Today we're going to unbox the H&M Advent Calendar of 2020. This is the first budget Advent Calendar I'm going to unbox this year. The last year's H&M Advent Calendar was it was amazing. I loved it. So now I've been on the hunt for it again, and it was around $30. I'm going to write the exact price somewhere on the screen. I didn't really like the look and the design of the calendar last year. It really looked like something for a child, and in my opinion, I don't think young children should use makeup, so I thought the idea of the whole calendar was a bit wrong. But this year they've actually stepped up their game and it looks so cute. This is the calendar. It's very small, but last year they had very small sample makeup in the calendar, so probably it will be the same in this one. If you're new here, I would really suggest you to subscribe. I will unbox a lot of advent calendars this year, both budget and more expensive ones, so you don't want to miss that. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and let's dive in. We have a little bow here, a pink one. It's so cute, and it's black and sleek, and we have some gold text. I love it. It has 24 doors. We love that. Untie it. Okay. So let's find door number 1. So we have a little lip gloss, or yeah, lip gloss. The products are very small. They're sample sizes and mini sizes. But keep in mind that this is a very affordable calendar, so you can't really expect more than that. But yeah, we have a pink gloss. That's so cute. And it has some glitter in it. It's very subtle. It's just a lip gloss with some shine and glitter. Did it smell? Oh. Yeah, it smells like strawberry. Cute. Like that, we move on to door number 2. And we have a lipstick. They're so cute and small. Is this red or dark pink? My lips are all crusty. Oh, that's pigmented. Obviously, I don't have liner on right now, but you see the pigment. It feels great on the lips. It's not sticky or anything. This is one of those lipsticks you probably will have to touch up during the day. I actually like that. Promising. Door number 3. So we have eyeshadow, maybe? Yeah, it's eyeshadow. Let's swatch it. And they're in this small magnetic pans, so you can take them out, I think, and put them in a magnetic palette. Oh, that's beautiful. It almost feels like, well, not completely, but like a loose glitter, so I don't know if this will have some fallout, but maybe you can set it with some glitter primer or glue, or I don't know what you call it. I love the shade. This is beautiful. Maybe I should buy one of those magnetic palettes. It can be good because I have a lot of these small single pans from the last year's calendar, and in the end it's a bit annoying to pick all of them every time. So we have a little tube. Sweet Orange Lip Balm, 2.3 grams. It's sealed. Very serious. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh! I like that. Not sticky either or anything, just shiny, and it smells amazing. It smells like fruit, oranges. Obviously Sweet orange lip balm. I like that. Door number 5. Is this a blush? Cream blush? Blush stick. 5.5 grams. I can't apply it on my face right now because I already have makeup on. It's peachy and it has some shimmer to it, but it's beautiful. It feels like they've stepped up this year a lot. Door number 6. Is it some kind of glitter? Eyeliner. 2 milliliters. I think I received this last year as well. I actually used it. And you have this little brush. This is so good to have, and everything in this calendar, well, I haven't seen all of it, but it's so good if you want a budget advent calendar. You don't have glitter eyeliners, you don't have, you know, a lot of makeup, you just have these base things, and you want to, you know, advance more, then you can buy these cheap stuff, because H&M have really good quality in their products, but they're still cheap, and that's really good if you want to explore and you want to test out products. You don't have to buy one of these for $20 and then realizing you don't use glitter eyeliner. So this is a really good option if you want to advance more in makeup, and also if you already advanced, it can be fun to have more products. And yeah, I just think these products are good for everyone. Okay, door number 7. One more lipstick. This is more of a nude or lip gloss. 2 milliliters. This mauve shade. The scent isn't strong, but it still has a scent, but it smells amazing. I like that shade. This is more me. Oh, a bluish eyeshadow. 1.2 grams. That's beautiful. Very dark, grayish blue. It has some shimmer, and it's almost, you know, in this chrome thing. Okay, not really my shade, but fun to test out. Number 9. Okay, another lipstick. And this is, oh, it's clear. You can see through it, but it's still pink and it has glitter. Maybe this is a lip balm. Okay, so you can barely see it. It doesn't have a scent, but it feels great on the lips. Number 10. A lip gloss. What do you call this shade? Shimmery peach, glittery, goldish. It does have a scent. Not strong. Very sparkly, but still not too much. 11. Is this a highlighter? Yeah, highlighter. 1.5 grams. Very light. That's beautiful. Should we try it on? I already have some highlighter. Let's apply some more. That's not bad, but it has some glitter in it, I think. But it's cute. I like that. Yeah, 12. This is a lipstick. Yeah, it's purple pretty much. A bit dark for me. It's still cute. So if you like this shade, you would like it. Not sticky either. feels great on the lips. Oh, eyeshadow, glitter eyeshadow. This is really, really cute. It has big flakes, so you really need some kind of glue with this. And it's duochromic. Do you call it that? I don't know. Beautiful. Really beautiful. Okay, is this an eyeliner? Yeah. So we have a purplish, pinkish, glittery eyeliner. This is cute. I don't think I have this shade. That's really, really beautiful. I love receiving glitter eyeliners because I never buy them on my own because I think they're so expensive, but it's so good to have when you do new looks or you try to follow a tutorial where they use these and you don't have them. So it's great. Oh, is this eyeshadow? Blush? 1.5 grams. It's very pink. That's fun. Let's swatch that as well. And it's totally matte, but I have old swatches, so I have some glitter on my hand. Very, very pink. Let's apply some. That's very cute. I like it. Not too much or overly pigmented, so it's difficult to use or apply or something. It's just very light and I like it. Number 16, another liquid lipstick. Oh, my lips are going to hurt. Not sticky, beautiful. It does have a scent, but it's not too much. Okay, now it's starting to get a bit sticky. I think it's going to dry matte. Oh, that's really, really nice. I love that. Oh my god. I think this is a highlighting stick. Yeah, highlighter. 5.5 grams. Oh, so it looks white with some shimmer, but it's duochromic and it shines pink. That's crazy pigmented and shiny and wow, definitely going to try that. They didn't include these sticks last year, so I'm excited. Number 18, another lip balm. This is green apple. I'm not going to apply that. I guess it smells like apple. 19, liquid lipstick. This is more colorful, intense. Not going to apply it, but I will do a swatch. It will probably dry matte as well. Really pigmented and not patchy or anything. I really like their liquid lipsticks. Number 20, another lipstick. This is pink, like really pink. Oh, that's pigmented. As I said, these are not my shades, but if you like these intense colors, you will definitely like this. I mean, it's so pigmented. Okay, next we have an eyeshadow, a glitter or silver. It's so, the pigment is crazy. Not as fleeky as the previous one, so maybe you can use this without a glue. In next door we have another lipstick, also pink. Is it the same pink? No, this is more of a dark pink. The other one is more like a intense pink. Another lipstick, or no, lip gloss. Can we apply it over this? It would probably look crazy, but very dark red. Yeah, a lot of lip products in this calendar. Last door, we have eyeshadow maybe? Eyeshadow. Ugh. So, golden and silver eyeshadow. This is very fleeky, it's big chunky glitter, so you have to use something with this. You will have some fallout, but it's beautiful. Perfect for Christmas Day. Okay, I'm actually surprised about sticks. I would love to see a contour stick or a bronzing stick. That would be amazing. That's the only things I missed in this calendar. Maybe they should put in less lipstick products and more face products, but other than that, this is definitely better than the last year, even though that's hard to beat, but definitely like this even more. And as I said, it's so cheap, it's crazy. I will definitely save the packaging, it's so cute. I'm actually going to go upstairs soon and search for a magnetic palette because I have so many single eyeshadows now and I really want to start to actually use them, not just putting them in a drawer somewhere. So yeah, if you want to try out new products for a reasonable price, you should definitely check this out. I think they launched it today or yesterday. I've kept an eye on their website and I couldn't find this until yesterday, so I think they launched it yesterday. I hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, I will unbox more advent calendars. I ordered a lot of them and I will probably order more, both budgets and more expensive ones, so keep your eyes open for that. Like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the bell for notifications, and I see you next video. Bye!